Today I have a fall recipe with a medley of vegetables that are fast and easy to cook. Keep watching and I'll show you what's up. Hey guys, it's Lisa from An Appetizing Life, and each week I bring you new recipes and tips to make your time in the kitchen just a little bit more fun and really healthy. Today I'm making a fall recipe with sauteed cauliflower, carrots, and Brussels sprouts. So let's just jump right into it and I'll show you what we need to prep. First, we need to cut up the cauliflower, 2 carrots sliced on a diagonal, Brussels sprouts ends removed and sliced in half. You want to make sure to take off any of the leaves that aren't so great looking or just falling off. 2 cloves of garlic minced. Now let's add some herbs. 1 tablespoon of Italian parsley minced. Strip the leaves from the thyme and mince about a tablespoon. We need to prep 2 more things. I need fresh lemon juice. And I'm going to toast some pine nuts to put on at the end. You can do this on the stove or you can do it in the oven. I'm going to show you how to do it on the stove today. So I'm going to toast the pine nuts in a dry pan over medium heat. Now these will take about 3 minutes to toast. Watch them because they're very oily and they will burn really quickly. Keep an eye on them. I feel like I'm making popcorn. So I'm going to take these off the heat because I can smell them and they're starting to get that little golden brown color to them. They smell really good. Okay guys, everything is prepped. I have salt, pepper, a little bit of vegetable broth, and olive oil. That's all we need. So let's head back over to the stove. So I'm gonna get this going. I'm gonna put the olive oil in there over medium-high heat. Add in my garlic. Garlic is one of my favorite things ever. Like the best thing ever. Okay, I smell that garlic. It's time to get the vegetables in there. I'm gonna let this cook for a few minutes just to let it get a little bit brown before I add in all the other yumminess. Now I'm gonna add in that thyme I chopped up and about a 1/4 cup of vegetable broth. Now I've turned the heat down just a little bit and I'm gonna cover these so they can get a little bit softer. These can cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Just keep your eye on them. You just want to get the vegetables a little bit softened. Now I just added a 1/4 cup more of the vegetable broth just to get all those yummy bits that are at the bottom. Got to make sure this is tender enough. So I'm going to kill the heat on this and we're ready to add in the last little bit of the good stuff. Fresh lemon juice, salt, pepper. Give that a stir. And now I'm going to add that chopped Italian parsley. There's the veggie medley, but I am not done. I'm going to add in those pine nuts that I toasted earlier, and just because I can, a little parm. Now you don't have to add the Parmesan cheese, but I had some in the fridge and why not? If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe wherever that button is. And I will have more videos and more tips for you. You can always see what's going on appetizinglife.com. And that's it. I'm hungry, gotta eat. Brussels sprouts, carrots, or cauliflower first. I'm gonna go with the cauliflower.